Here's the weekly market review from ApexTrend.ai. This covers overnight market research patterns identified between December 8th and December 11th. This content is for learning and review only. It's not trade guidance. During this 4-day window, 51 out of 55 of the overnight research patterns that were identified reached higher highs the next day. That's a 91% follow-through at the day high price. These were research setups, all that had scores in our system above 50%. So this measures continuation. It's really not timing the market. So there are 3 names that really stood out this week from our research patterns. Shopify reached a 4.3% peak the following day after the research pattern was identified. Ford moved nearly 4% the day after the research pattern was identified for Ford. JP Morgan also reached more than a 3% next day high after the research pattern identified its trend. Each shared a common theme, positive direction paired with momentum. Let's walk through one chart to see how the setup was formed. This is Shopify during the research window on December 9th. Earlier in the day, it had several strong red to green candles here. It did not continue. These are 1-hour candles, like I said, December 9th. The time of research, about 1:30 to 2, runs at about 2 o'clock every day. It was still in a downward trend, but the engine was able to recognize the previous pattern, and after reviewing all of the recent patterns with Shopify or similar setups, the Shopify was flagged on December 9th as a strong pattern that continued to hold up with a slight pullback. The following day, it had much more strength and was able to continue on to a 4.3% peak from the research price. So the conditions present in this example included a red to green behavior, rising RSI, and an upward trend direction. These same traits appeared across many other stronger outcomes in the week of December 8th. So not every setup continued its strong start after being identified. We did have QBTS failed after it was identified as a possible strong setup. One of the JPM setups also failed. So this highlights why review and risk awareness really does matter, even when you're trading with an AI engine like this. So that is the weekly market review. All results are historical research outcomes, and it's not investment advice. If you like this content, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.